Hey guys, good morning. Cheers. It's Pete. Good coffee. My dad sent me some really nice coffee beans from a place called Jersey Shore Coffee. Oh man, it's good. Been having some really strong cups lately. Anyway, I thought I'd do a little video this morning and show you a really funny do-it-yourself project I did the other day. It seems like in my van the voltage regulator has gone out, so that's causing all kinds of problems. And when I turn off the car, the ignition, the battery overnight just dies, which kind of sucks if you don't have jumper cables. I left the jumper cables in the motorhome, which is not really accessible right now, so I had to build my own because I needed the car right away. So this is what I did. This is one goofy looking thing, but hey, it works, or it worked. What this is some copper pipe. So I just cut the pipe to the length of this piece of wood and this, and then half of it I split down the middle and then just bent it into this Y shape and put some speaker cable through the hole and then just attached it right here, and these worked. So hey, don't knock it if it works, right? I couldn't get to the store, so I just made my own and it worked, so I'm happy with that. And let me show you this really nice find. For a while I've been trying to remember who it was that I promised to do a little tinder box for, and thankfully I just found out who that was. So partly I was waiting for the right piece of wood to come my way, and as I was picking apart a pallet the other day, I noticed, I don't know who would make a pallet with such nice wood, but somebody did. I think this is Osage orange. I don't know if this camera's picking up all the orange tints in this wood, but man, this is some pretty stuff. And pound for pound, this piece of wood weighs more or about the same as quality oak. So this is something nice. If any of you fellow woodworkers out there know what kind of species this is, let me know, because I'm curious. If you look up close, it's got this odd kind of cracking going on, which I like. I split one piece and it's got some really interesting grain. Like if you look here, it's like really pitted, and the fibers of the grain are really thick. It's a nice piece of wood. So I got this one, and I shined this one up already just to see what it would do. And so I figure what I'll do today is cut some slices off of it and make that tinder box. Maybe I'll make 2 of them, or however many I can. So I'm gonna get started with that today. So hope you're all well and enjoying your Sunday. Cheers, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.